What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today we are talking Paradigm. We're doing a quick overview of the P1 in-wall center speaker right here. And we did the P3 overview as well. And we're going to, just here in a minute, do a full demo so you guys can hear the quality of audio. Now, if you would like to purchase this P1 or any Paradigm speakers, we carry the full lineup. This particular project that we're featuring here is in New Jersey. You guys know that we are expanding rapidly and really appreciate y'all's support. All right, let's get into this quick overview. I'm gonna bring Jose with Wire Ninjas on the call. Let's go.
What's up, guys? Jose, Wire Ninjas here. We're going to take a look at this speaker from Paradigm. This happens to be a Paradigm CI Pro P1 speaker. It features two woofer cones and one tweeter. Now, this is a really nice speaker from Paradigm at a great price point. I've actually done full theaters, full front sound stages with this speaker. So if you're looking for high-end sound, but you don't want to break the bank, go with the P1. It's an excellent choice.
All right, thanks Jose for giving us a quick recap of the P1. You can see up here behind me too, we got the P3s. So we have the full Paradigm manufacturer to offer to you guys, and this isn't the only brand. So if you're looking at different options available, one thing about Dreamedia is we carry all of the leading manufacturers, and we play demos and let you know what we think too. So regardless of the manufacturer, we have you covered. And then make sure to utilize our free design service and our preferred installer network to get it put in if you're not going to be DIYing it. Well, that's all I got for you guys. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater here with Jose from Wire Ninjas discussing the Paradigm P1. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.